कुछ अपने बारे में बताइए, क्या पढ़ाई लिखाई किया, क्या कर रही हैं आप?
Okay, sir. Sir, my name is Soni Mal. I belong to Gorakhpur district of Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my basic education from Army Public School, Gorakhpur. I have completed my Bachelor of Technology in Electronics and Communication Engineering, and I have completed my Master of Technology in Digital Communication from Uttar Pradesh Technical University. So I'm a girl with enthusiasm and self-motivated.
आप इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी की, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स और कम्युनिकेशन की स्टूडेंट रही हैं।
Yes, sir.
इंटरनेट ऑफ थिंग्स और आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस के बारे में मुझे कुछ बताइए। एज अ लेमैन, मैं तो साइंस का आदमी नहीं हूं, तो आप अगर मुझे
Yes.
बताना चाहें तो कैसे
Yes,
बताएंगे?
sir.
इंटरनेट ऑफ थिंग्स एंड व्हाट इज आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस?
Okay, sir. Like today we are in the digital world, and we can say that it's a industrial revolution. For we are running through this, as you told, artificial intelligence and the Internet of the Things. So artificial intelligence is that, sir, through the internet, we are connecting ourselves, and we are availing all the services through the internet. We are using Wi-Fi. We are using all the multimedias, and today we are going through the virtual
This has been in
education.
practice for long. What is Internet of Things then? IoT.
Sir, Internet of the Things is that by using the internet, we actually perform the things without any physically doing all the things, and by just giving the command. Like if we want AC, so we can say that we just command for the to on the AC.
What is artificial intelligence?
And sir, in the artificial intelligence, uh, um, we use the data through the cloud computing, and connecting through the internet, we can say that.
What is data and what is big data?
Sorry, sir, I'm unable to recall it.
What is data mining and data analytic?
Sir, I'm from electronics and communication. I didn't go for the IT. I'm not aware about. I'm unable to recall this.
You belong to Gorakhpur district,
Yes, sir.
and our chief minister also belong to this district.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
After becoming the chief minister in the last 3 years, do you
Yes, sir.
see any real change at the ground level in Gorakhpur? If so, what are the changes that you see?
Yes, sir. I have seen the change, sir. First of all, there is a aims here due to our CM. We can say that initiative. So most of the people.
Number two.
Sir, the infrastructure has improved a lot. 4-lane, 6-lane has been reconstructing here. The railway station of the Gorakhpur has now become. It's a very clean now become. And here is a small industry sector, that is a GIDA development here. So most of the industries are now revamping, and the fertilizer industry is here, and it is also going to be in process.
What is the condition of traffic congestion in areas like most congested area in Gorakhpur?
So in Gorakhpur, in the Gorakhpur city especially, now the police traffic is working properly, and due to the development of the road, the congestion of the problem has little bit solved, and the people basically they are following the rules and the norms of the traffic also. And I think due to the police is also very active, so most of the people following the traffic rules, like the using helmet and only two person in a two-wheeler vehicle this type of the things is happening here.
What is your optional subject?
Sir, defense studies.
Okay, over to the next one.
Okay, thank you, sir.
सोनी, डिफेंस स्टडीज
Yes, sir.
आपका ऑप्शनल है। उस पर आने से पहले एक दो बात पूछना चाहता हूँ। आप मास्टर्स में हैं
Yes, sir.
टेक्नोलॉजी में, नेट न्यूट्रलिटी के बारे में पढ़ा है आपने?
Sorry, sir. I'm not audible.
नेट न्यूट्रलिटी पढ़ा है कभी? नेट न्यूट्रलिटी।
Net neutrality. Yes, sir. I have heard about this. Sir, net neutral in this actually the companies used to provide the high connectivity to a particular we can say that the site or a particular
Government of India has declared to achieve the stage of net neutrality. भारत सरकार एक ऐसी स्थिति में आना चाहती है कि भारत के सभी लोगों को नेट के लिए कोई शुल्क न देना पड़े, शुल्क
yes,
मुक्त।
sir.
ये नेट न्यूट्रलिटी, आप इसके बारे में नहीं पढ़ा आपने। क्लाउड डिप्लोमेसी, आपने क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग पढ़ा, उसी से एक सवाल निकलता है, क्लाउड डिप्लोमेसी। व्हाट डज इट मीन बाय दिस क्लाउड डिप्लोमेसी?
Sir, sorry, sir. I'm not aware about this.
क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग बताइए। क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग
Sir, in cloud computing, in cloud computing, data are stored in through the internet, and the data processing, data analytical processing, it is through the like particularly through the internet, and data is stored in a internet through which the connectivity is and the work is going on.
आपका उत्तर ठीक है, इसे प्रिसाइज वे में होना चाहिए। 3 टर्म्स है, इंफॉर्मेशन, कम्युनिकेशन, टेक्नोलॉजी। इन 3 टर्म्स को आपको एक लाइन में बताना है। व्हाट डज इट मीन बाय द टर्म ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन?
So information is something that we want to deliver something, and we want to give some things to the information to anyone we want to deliver.
है ना? To get or have knowledge about something, किसी विषय की जानकारी ही इंफॉर्मेशन है। चलिए, कम्युनिकेशन क्या है? व्हाट इज कम्युनिकेशन?
So communication is basically it is between the communication is between the two person. If we want to deliver something, some knowledge to the other person, so we establish the communication here. Like we need at least transmitter and receiver, or at least 2 person.
सेंटेंस में मैंने इसे बताने के लिए कहा है, डोंट एक्सप्लेन, ओनली डिफाइन। अगर मैं ये कहूं एक्सचेंज ऑफ आइडियाज इज कम्युनिकेशन,
Yes, sir.
डू यू एग्री?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Exchange of idea, we can say that it's a type of communication.
ठीक है। टेक्नोलॉजी तीसरा शब्द है। आपके पास मास्टर डिग्री है इस सब्जेक्ट की, आपके पास समुद्र का नॉलेज है, तो सागर पर नहीं लहरों पर पहरा बैठाने की एक बात है, छोटी सी कोशिश है कि आप इतना माइन्यूट ऑब्जर्वर हैं, टेक्नोलॉजी को कैसे डिफाइन करेंगे? क्या एक सेंटेंस में बोल देंगी कि टेक्नोलॉजी सामने व्यक्त हो जाएगी? व्हाट इज टेक्नोलॉजी? तकनीक क्या है?
Sir, technology is scientific utilization of the knowledge in a very particular way, in a short span of the time, to gain something in a very proper way.
पहली बार आपने इन तीनों शब्दों को अलग-अलग टर्मिनोलॉजिकली आपने फेस किया है, इन्हें करना थोड़ा सा कोशिश करेंगे तो आप इसे कर ले जाएंगे। ये कोई बहुत बड़ी समस्या नहीं है। जिस यूनिवर्सिटी से आपने एमएससी किया हुआ है उसका मोटो क्या है?
Sorry, sir.
यूपीटीयू से आपने एमएससी किया है, इसका मोटो क्या है, ध्येय वाक्य?
Okay, sir. I did MTech from Uttar Pradesh Technical University, sir. Sir, basically, I want to pursue in this field, in research field.
का जैसे भारत सरकार का मोटो है सत्यमेव जयते, लखनऊ
Yes,
विश्वविद्यालय का मोटो है लाइट एंड लर्निंग, तो आपके इस यूनिवर्सिटी
Okay.
का नाम क्या है?
Uh, sorry, sir. I don't know the motto of Uttar
अच्छा,
Pradesh Technical.
इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस क्या है?
So, emotional intelligence is a value of the ethics in this. The emotions, uh, to know the emotion of yourself, to know the emotion of the others, and to maintain in a that particular situation is known as the emotional intelligence. To manage your emotion and the others also.
2 मिनट आपके डिफेंस सब्जेक्ट आपका है। 2 मिनट में मुझे बताइए कि
Yes,
कुछ दिनों में एक मिसाइल का परीक्षण हुआ, टेस्ट
yes,
हुआ,
sir.
उस मिसाइल का नाम क्या है?
So, which missile? Uh, sorry, sir. I don't know about this.
चलिए, नाग एक मिसाइल है, एंटी टैंक।
Yes, sir. Yes,
उसका
sir, it's an anti-tank missile.
ब्रह्मास्त्र है ना। इससे बाहर आते हैं, आप नेशनल करंट अफेयर्स पर 3 ऐसी बातें, 3 ऐसे जो इस समय सबसे ज्यादा चर्चित हैं देश में।
Okay, sir. Sir, today, first of all, we are like Corona. We are facing Corona or
कोरोना काल में इन द पीरियड ऑफ दिस पैंडेमिक ऑफ कोरोना, 3
yes, sir.
मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट वाइडली डिस्कस्ड इवेंट्स ऑफ कंट्री।
Most important, sir, what?
वाइडली डिस्कस्ड, जो इस समय चर्चा में हैं, जिन पर बहुत बहस हो रही है, हम इसके माध्यम से आपका करंट अफेयर्स लेवल चेक करना चाहते हैं।
So first of all, we have an issue in the Galwan issue from India-China issue is struggling on the Galwan issue, and second is we have a strained relation with Nepal also at Kalapani issue, and third we are struggling through the unemployment issue also, or we are reviving our economy. For that we are doing Atmanirbhar Bharat. And for the MSME sector also we are doing on that.
Good. Over to the ma'am.
Good evening, Soni.
Good evening, madam.
आपके डिस्ट्रिक्ट गोरखपुर से ODOP स्कीम में कौन सा प्रोडक्ट लिया गया है?
Ma'am, terracotta. Yes, ma'am. Right.
Okay. ये बताइए, ये कोविड वायरस है या डिजीज है? What is COVID?
Ma'am, it's a type of the virus. Like it's a corona. It's a family of the virus.
Okay.
But we are yes, ma'am.
Man-made वायरस और नेचुरल वायरस क्या है?
Ma'am, actually it's all about the speculation. We don't have any authenticate report right now whether it's a natural or the man-made, but most of the report has said that it is natural due to the seafood of the Wuhan. So I think so it is a natural.
आप इसको एयरबॉर्न मानेंगी या वाटरबॉर्न, क्या है ये?
Ma'am, according to WHO, it is airborne disease right now. Most of approx 296 scientists has told that now it is a airborne. So, in my opinion, also it is a airborne disease.
ओके। अमेरिका में अभी ट्रम्प ने WHO से USA को अलग कर दिया है, ऐसा क्या कारण है कि WHO से स्वयं को डिटैच किया?
Ma'am, according to President Trump, he in his perspective that the WHO is inclined and biased toward the China, because he believes that China has concealed the data about the virus. So that is why he told that to withdraw from WHO.
सोनी, आपका क्या-क्या प्रेफरेंसेस है सर्विस की?
Ma'am, first of all, Deputy Collector, and then second one is a DYOSP, and third is the ARTO, fourth is a ACTT, and fifth one is a TO, and sixth one is a EO, and seventh is a DPRO.
Okay. What is the difference between the deputy collector and SDM?
Ma'am, deputy collector is the post for which recruitment is going, and it is basically for the revenue administration, I think. And in the SDM, when the process is over, when the deputy collector got the tehsil and he has got the executive magistral post also, then it is a SDM.
अच्छा, आप एज एसडीएम अपॉइंट होती हैं तहसील में, तो आपके नीचे कौन कौन से लोग काम करेंगे? आपके सबऑर्डिनेशन में कौन सा स्टाफ होगा?
Sorry, madam, I don't know.
Okay, it's okay. Okay, thank you.